guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today I'm doing the first challenge on my channel, and I chose to do the challenge Google Picks My Makeup. And this challenge is really cool. What you do is you put the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name with the word look on Google, and you see what's the first picture that comes in the search. So after you find the picture that first come up in the Google search, you need to create a makeup look that is all inspired by the colors in this picture. The first one to create this challenge is Nikki Tutorials, and I watched also Carly Bible doing this sort of challenge. Usually I don't feel like I want to do challenges because I don't find them entertaining, in my opinion. I don't like watching them myself, so I don't I'm not gonna film them, but this one I really liked. I got this picture right here of someone wearing this beautiful two-piece suit, and it just have white, yellow, green, and it is amazing. I hope you love this makeup look. It is quite different. I created a white eyeliner and I have a lot of color going on, but I think it is really summery, springy and fun. If you want to see more challenges videos on my channel, then just hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below, and let's go ahead and start with this video. So I'm gonna start with putting some moisturizer on my skin because I want to feel hydrated under all of the makeup that we're gonna put. I'm gonna prime my eyelids and I'm gonna use a concealer, and I'm gonna speed it up because it's nothing interesting. I'm taking a powder and I'm setting my eyelids just to make sure that the eyeshadows blend on top of it. So first, because we have some yellowy undertones there, we're gonna use the NYX Ultimate palette, and this is a beautiful palette. It's like very colorful and pretty, and I have some yellow right here and some orange right here, so I'm gonna take a mixture of both of them into my crease and I'm gonna make it a transition shade. I don't know yet what I'm about to create, but we'll just roll with it. So I'm taking it and I just put it in my crease as a transition shade. So right now I have a lot of yellow going on in my eyes, but that's okay, we will make something out of it. I'm taking this Kiko Milano palette, and this is a really cool palette. My mom got it for me, and you can see it has some really cool shades. This yellow is really cool, and this green one is also very cool, and I think I'm gonna use the yellow one, of course, and the green one. And I'm gonna put this yellowy tone all over my eyelids, and let's see how it goes. So you can see that by building two layers of color, it is really intense, and you can see the yellow that I've put before peeking through from the crease. It is a little bit more orangey because I also used the orange shade, but that's okay. I think it would be nice. So let's do the other eye. And as you can see, I put it directly all over my crease. It looks like a little dome of color because I really want the yellow to be noticed. I will tell you that when I try to add more color in certain areas, it looks like it takes off the rest of the eyeshadow that I put before. For a little bit of warmth in the crease and a little bit of a neutral color, I'm taking the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream Street palette. I'm gonna use this shade mixed in with this shade in my crease, putting it directly in my crease, and this will also blend the shadow that I put before. And I can definitely tell you it takes off the Kiko Milano eyeshadow. You can see it just dramatically take it off when I blend it. We will go on later and just add some more of this yellowish color. So before we go on and add some more yellow to the lid, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this is a little bit more deep brown than the other browns that we used, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corners of my eyes just to give it a little bit more of depth and shape. So I'm just placing it in my outer corner, and I blend it really gently. I am barely touching my eyes. I'm just swirling the brush on the outer corner. Swipe the brush, and I'm going back to my blending brush, and I'm just making sure the edges are blended. And then I'm going back to the yellow color from the Kiko Milano palette, and I'm gonna put it on my lids once again after everything was blended away for nothing. And when I tap it on my eyelid, when I reach the deeper shade, I just gently tap next to it and a little bit over it. And now I'm taking the blending brush with the deeper color. I'm not adding any more color, I'm just tapping in between the colors. So now to represent the white from the picture, I'm taking the NYX liquid liner in white, and I'm just gonna do a wing. And I've never done a white winged liner, so I'm really excited. I hope it will be okay. So I can tell you this liner feels really cracky. Like I feel if I will move my eyes, it will just crack. It is not the most opaque liner ever, but this will have to do because I don't have another one. So I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'm gonna be right back. And I know it looks a little bit crazy, but bear with me guys, with the face and everything it will look flawless. Okay, so I just put on some mascara, but now I'm gonna just speed you through everything on my face, foundation and all, because I do it all the time and I just want to speed it up for you guys, that we won't have the longest video ever. So I'm just gonna speed it up, show you what I use, and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how the face looks like. I told you once I will have my full on face makeup, it will look much better with the wing liner and everything. I'm gonna take again the NYX palette, and now I'm gonna take this green shade and I'm gonna put it in my lower lash line, and I'm gonna focus it on the outer part of the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the Kiko palette and I'm taking this green shade, and I also gonna put it in the inner half part of my lower lash line. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. I'm gonna put on some mascara on my lower lash line and I will be right back. Okay, so I also added some false lashes on the tip of my eyes just to make the look a little bit more cat eye, and because it is a bit dramatic look, I just added some lashes. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the description box what you thought about this video. Do you want me to do some more challenge videos and stuff like that? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!